look at that view. Somebody's swimming over there, look.
Do you think it's warm?
It's not for me, put it that way. But here we are at La Mata. And we're actually stood, we'll just turn round here so you can see, there's the sea, look at that, beautiful. Quite calm actually, but there right in front of us, we've got the tower. And this is the Torre La Mata, which means Tower of La Mata. And originally, apparently, it was a watchtower. And I think we said this last time, keep out the pirates.
The pirates, yeah.
And they used to come and nick the salt.
That's what I believe, yes.
Well, I mean, they must have had some manpower, haven't they? Didn't come with a few little pepper shakers.
I know.
And there's the beach at La Mata. You can see the restaurants in the distance. And that goes over the peninsula there, you go right over to Torrevieja. And this beach is about 2.3 kilometres long. Let's have a look in the square. Up the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, not too bad.
Can you manage them?
I can manage 6. I've been to Altea.
Yeah, how many steps were in Altea?
A lot. Let's just turn around and have a look back at the tower. There's the tower. And actually the original tower was there, it was built there in the same spot, and they rebuilt this. I don't know what year they rebuilt it, but they rebuilt the tower in the exact same spot. So that's the new tower, apparently.
It looks quite new, it's clean.
Yeah, it's got some cement in there, hasn't it?
I hope so, to hold it together.
Aye, won't be falling down on folk. That's a nice little square, breaks up the beach. And we're going to go and have a little wander around now.
Nice bars.
Yeah, lovely little restaurants there on the right hand side. We're going to go through the town square, the plaza, and go this way across this little path. But it's a lovely town. We come here every time we come, don't we, to Torrevieja?
Yeah,
we always visit.
Yeah, we do like it.
Torre La Mata.
It's very popular.
Yeah. Some kids there playing on the swings. Brings back memories, doesn't it? Seems like yesterday when I were on swings. What do you think?
Did you go right over the handlebars? Handlebars, that's a bike, isn't it?
That's a bike, I've done that as well.
Did you go right over the top?
Yeah, I always go over the top, me. Are the bells going to chime? What time is it?
They were a few minutes late.
Oh, there? A few minutes late?
Past, yeah. The 1:30 came at 25 to.
That just shows how laid back it is here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Never mind with them chimes, give it a couple of minutes, it'll be alright. Nobody won't make any difference. Well, they're due in 60 seconds, so we'll see. This is the main square. And we're going to have a little walk around. We're going to have a little walk around past the restaurants. They've just redone this decking around the restaurants and the beach area. I think they've redone it all the way down and up to where La Mata starts, because it was getting a bit rickety, wasn't it, the boarding?
Yeah, it were breaking up, wasn't it?
It looked a bit on the
well worn. Let's have a ride on the little piggy.
Are you gonna go on there?
No.
Okay, bottled out.
I think I'm a bit too big.
Now this block of flats here, apartments, looks very, very nice. This has just been built.
We actually saw them building these, didn't we?
Yeah, they built it over about 18 months, haven't they? And there's a nice little shop at the bottom, a little market, which is quite useful. There's the Honey Kebab restaurant that we've had a meal in once or twice. And there's another restaurant on here called International Restaurant. And we've come here a lot, haven't we, because it's really nice.
Yeah.
I think it's this one. Is it the first one?
You can get all different types of cuisine.
Yeah, they do Indian, Spanish, English. And it's really good value for money. We'll have a look at the board and see if it's still the same, because we haven't been for a while, have we? It must be 12 months since we've been.
Tapas. I think that's a tapas
Yeah, that's a
bar.
tapas,
That's supposed to
but-
be really nice. We haven't been there.
Yeah, plateau. Hello. We might come later. What's your meal of the day? $7.90, that's good, isn't it?
No, that's a kids menu.
Oh, kids. A bit bigger.
Bit small for you.
$13.90.
13.
Basically, we have 2 plates plus 1 drink, dessert or coffee in $13.90. coffee, the starters, and the main course.
Very good.
Set to coffee.
We come a lot here, so we might pop back when we get hungry.
Oh yeah, okay.
Looks good. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
You too. That's £12.90.
Hello, you alright? Yeah, we've been here before. We've had an Indian here, we've had a Spanish. International restaurant. Very good. Always enjoyed the food, haven't we?
Yeah.
We'll come back and have a look because we're just filming at the moment. Well, you're on. Alright, see you. 12.90. Look, that's the
Plenty of
Indian.
choice.
Yeah. Onion bhaji.
We have had this one.
Peppercorn.
haven't we?
We've had this one, yeah. But you know, when it's a bit hot,
Yeah, in the middle of the day.
in the middle of the day,
Fancy it.
yeah. But at night time, or whatever, brilliant. But actually, I think all those three are owned by the same people.
And is this one as well?
I think this one is as
I
well,
think
yeah.
it is.
Yeah, international restaurant, yeah.
Yeah, because we've been in this one as well.
Yeah.
Probably been in them all.
Sausage, egg and chips.
It's very busy.
Very busy. And then this one on the corner's Zana's. It's a restaurant, pizza restaurant. Do burgers and all the usual pizza stuff. This is quite a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Their meal of the day, £10.50. So a really good value for money. And decent quality as well, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's brilliant. See the boarding though, notice the boardwalk's all been changed.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it was a bit of a mess before, but it's
Yeah.
probably years and years old. There's the bus, which comes from Torrevieja.
Yeah, is that the Airbus? I think you can get the Airbus
it could be the
from
Airbus, yeah.
Torrevieja right on here.
Yeah, you might see on the back. We'll check that out, but I think it's the Airbus.
I'm sure it's the Airbus.
Yeah. Ours is the B bus, San Luis is the G bus, and there's varying buses in between. Now we're going to go to the market now, which is just over there, the other side of those apartments, and we're going to do a separate video about that.
Yeah.
So watch out on Thursday the 6th November.
6th of November, Thursday
night,
8 p.m. Spanish time.
You'll see the video on there. We haven't filmed it yet, but keep watching and
Yeah.
you'll see it.
Got the Christmas decorations up there, look.
Already?
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye.